until the philosophy which hold one race superior and another inferior is finally and permanently discredited and abandoned. Everywhere is war.